Today, I'm going to answer the question, do yogis need a massage gun, or who needs a massage gun? So a few weeks ago, Fitindex reached out to me and asked me if they could send me their handheld deep tissue massage gun for review. Now, because I am super passionate about myofascial release, using all kinds of tools like our hands and foam rollers and balls, I actually jumped at the chance to try one of these the hottest new myofascial release tools of 2020. So when I received the massage gun, I realized that it actually works quite differently than the myofascial release tools that I've been using so far on my own body and with my students. So the massage gun uses something called percussion therapy. So you can set the gun at slow, medium, or fast speeds to deliver vibration therapy to your muscles and your fascia through all the layers of your tissue. So I had been used to really applying gentle compression and massage techniques using either a soft foam roller or balls or my own hands, and even things like socks. I've been really creative to create a neurophysiological response in my myofascial prior to using this massage gun. So what does that mean, a neurophysiological response? That sounds fancy, doesn't it? Well, your fascia, your myofascia, is rich in nerve endings. So when you apply pressure, gentle pressure, the nerve signals flow to and from your brain. And these nerve signals control your proprioception. That means like where you are in space, your coordination, and your ability to control movement. So when you apply any pressure or stimulation to your myofascia, either using a soft foam roller, a ball, your hands, or a massage gun on your muscle, it signals to your brain and back to your tissue, letting your tissue know that there's no longer need for tension wherever you're providing that kind of stimulation, whether you're using a massage gun or whatever you're using. So the question remains, is a massage gun more effective, as effective, or less effective at creating a neurophysiological response with that kind of percussion therapy? And when it delivers that vibration therapy to your muscles and your fascia and through all the layers of the tissue, what is it communicating to your brain? So that's what I'm curious about. So in my experience with working with myofascial release tools so far, it's been super important not to create something called a neural backlash with the tools. In other words, we don't want our brain to send the wrong message. So if your brain is signaling danger, danger, protect, protect, then there's no way that your muscles are going to release. They're simply going to go into protective mode and brace even more. And in fact, you can have something called a neural backlash and then wire in those restrictive movement patterns even more deeply, even more strongly. So what I've found is that applying that gentle pressure for a short amount of time will signal to your brain something different's happening here, and your body understands that it's okay to let go. So all that to say is that while I found the massage gun may have some fantastic therapeutic applications, I'm not sure the yoga audience are going to be the ones that need this tool 100%. So my yoga students in particular, who practice a lot of yin yoga and restorative yoga, are extremely tuned into their subtle energetic bodies, and they don't need a lot of feedback delivered through those neural pathways to the brain to signal to their brain that it's safe to let go. So this massage gun packs a powerful punch, which you can see. And if you're doing a ton of strength focused yoga with a lot of chaturanga and chair pose and goddess victory squats and chair pose, a lot, then it's great. It's great for large muscle groups like your glutes, your quads. But I personally think it's way too powerful, even on low settings for your neck and your upper back. But I think it's going to be absolutely amazing for back pain and sciatica. And at just over $100, the massage gun is absolutely a no-brainer because it's about the same price as going to your massage therapist, but you only have and you have the tool in your own hand. And also, given the expense and difficulty of trying to get to a massage therapist post-COVID world, having the tools for self-care at home now seems also like a no-brainer to me and a super smart move to me. So I'm going to show you now a great exercise for sciatica and how you can add this percussion therapy, this vibration therapy, and a yoga pose to get that neurophysiological response, to encourage your brain to send the signal to let go. But before I show you this exercise and some of the massage gun's features up close, I want to thank you for giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel, and can you put in the comments, massage guns are for large muscle groups. And if you'd like to see more ideas for how to use the massage gun for certain muscle pain or ailments or in combination with yoga poses and stretches, then also let me know your requests in the comments and I can make some more videos with this massage gun because honestly, I've really enjoyed working with it, and I think its application like for glutes and quads, but super large muscle groups, getting into those really meaty muscle groups is like, it's amazing. And I'll tell you more about it as I show you the move now. Okay, one of my favorite exercises for back pain and sciatica is figure 4 pose. So you lie on your back and you cross your left ankle over the top of your right thigh. You're going to draw it in and then you're going to turn your massage gun on. For me, it's fine on the lowest setting. It's on side 1. And you're going to feel the stretch right in your glutes, which is great. This creates space, so it helps to keep that pain it opens up the sciatic nerve, so it helps to keep the nerve pain from going down your leg. But what you can do then is you can add to this by just taking the massage gun all over your glute here. And it feels so good. So you can go all over your glute, and you can even go into your outer thigh here. And remember, what we're trying to do is create a neurophysiological response. So you never want to do anything that feels pain, nothing that feels sharp or shooting, and you just want it to feel good. So you just want to keep getting that signal from your brain that it's okay to let go. It's okay to let go. And as long as it's feeling like that, then you're doing fine. And at a certain point, it'll probably start to be like, you'll get to a point where it's like, okay, it's not enough, and it's enough, and your body's starting to go, it'll start to kick in and say, it starts to grip again. And then it's time to switch to the other side. You're just going to take it. I'm just taking it along the outside of my outer thigh and into my glutes, and I'm paying attention to the sensation in my own body, what feels good and what's allowing my body to relax more. Relaxing my shoulders. And this is where I feel the massage gun is most effective, in these really meaty, big muscle groups. And you can totally see how it's doing the percussion and vibration therapy, so you can see how much it's creating the movement here. Okay, and that's it. So thanks so much for watching. You know that you've done it right. You should feel more relaxed when you're done. And like right now, I just feel so relaxed. I actually was planning on giving this massage gun away when I was done. But let me tell you, after I do these practices, I feel so relaxed that, I'm planning on keeping it now. So, I love it for the glutes. The glutes do a lot for us. Like, they get a lot of tension in them actually just from sitting. But then if you're active too, like I do a lot of weightlifting in addition to the yoga. So it's really nice to have this massage in your hands to be able to look after it that way. So anyways, I'm rambling now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.